How to search in Ghostty terminal. Ghostty is a fast, GPU-accelerated, native terminal emulator for macOS and Linux with modern features, customization, and cross-platform support. To search in Ghostty terminal, follow these steps. Launch the terminal window where you want to search. Use search shortcut, press Ctrl+Shift+F for Linux or Command+Shift+F for macOS. A search bar will appear at the top or bottom of the terminal. Enter the word or phrase you're looking for. Use Enter to jump to the next match and Shift+Enter to go backward. Click the AA or star icons, if present, to toggle case sensitivity or regex. Press ESC or click the close icon to exit the search mode. If your Ghostty build doesn't support in-terminal search, you may need to update to the latest version. Thanks for watching.